Penny, Penny, you got a sexy...
We can't put that in. That's a naughty word.
It's a naughty word. Hey guys, we're about a week away from leaving Saigon in our final little bits.
Is your mouth tiny and small? Then why don't you come down a little bit?
In Vietnam before we go over to Malaysia for December and Christmas, New Year's.
I'm super excited. I love
Yeah, I
Malaysia.
know. So today we're going to do a little fun thing. And because usually when we are walking around and trying to find anything, I'll be in charge of maps.
And that is for one very good reason, because I am so bad at maps that it's not even funny. I'm going to try to get us somewhere where we need to go.
So you can look at the map to begin with to find out where we've got to go.
Yeah.
And then no more map. you gotta get this there. So we're gonna get some food first. We have a local little gomtam place.
It's very, very
broken
good.
rice and barbecue pork, and we're gonna go have some of that, and then we'll take you on our little fun adventure.
Oh, also where we're going is probably a cafe or somewhere that we can do some work to edit and stuff like that.
Alright, so we just had my lunch, Hannah's breakfast.
Yes.
Some gomtam, the broken rice and pork, and now we're gonna go to Kamakura Cafe.
This is it here. I've been looking at it for just a minute or so.
Yeah.
So we have to...
It's a pretty easy one. So we'll see what happens.
Instead of remembering the turn that we have to make first, I took the longer route, so we're just going to keep going straight until we meet the road that reminds me of Ben 10 Road. It's called Bin something, 10 something. I can't remember.
My gosh, you've already forgotten.
We're going to die.
That's alright.
But then when we reach that road, we turn left, and then we keep walking until we see a school of some sort, and then we turn right, and then we're there.
Heck yeah. Good job, baby.
So that's how we're gonna get there.
Little navigation master.
Yeah. So I was thinking of counting the roads on the left side, but then I realized that I will probably forget, and I don't know which roads are actually counted in the maps. So
Heck
this walk is supposed to be about half an hour, but who knows? Might turn into a day trip. Yeah, this is my outfit today, by the way. This is Ben's outfit today. Want to know what Ben's wearing? Very handsome.
I cleaned my hair.
And he cleaned his hair and his beard. So that's good. Crazy, that's Candace. And that is, what's her name from that YouTube channel? Kristen, from the YouTube channel. It's Kristen from Ladylike, BuzzFeed.
Always remember road safety. Always hold hands crossing the road.
Heavy.
You're so strong. Oh, okay.
Jill's the carry now. Is it heavy?
No, it's not actually. Been in Saigon for 1 week. Been in Vietnam for almost 3 months. Long time. Yeah. Thank you. Coconut water. Yeah.
Thank
your
you.
favorite. How much?
How much? Bye bye.
Have a good day.
What do we get?
We got a coconut and coconut water.
Yummy.
Yummy. Cheers.
We're doing it. We're gonna get there. I know we have to turn right at the HD Bank. I remember seeing that on the thing. Yeah, I'm very good at directions. I am so bad at maps that it's not even funny. So that means that we're going the right way. He said it would be more fun if we're going lost. But if we would get lost, that means it's the right way. Yay. But I can't remember the rest of it. So it went right there, and then maybe another street over, turn left? I can't remember. I think we turned right here.
Okay.
It's here.
Huh?
Somewhere.
There it is on the left.
Where?
We made it. So you got to see it in one go.
Yay! I'm smart and I know how to do things.
Because when you get in there, you'll see why.
Is there a matcha place?
I don't know. We'll get inside and we'll have a look.
Woo!
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song. Sing, you are my only one. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful.
I did it! I like it. Me too. It's okay, you'll cool down in a second. Want me to fan you? Did you say wait till we get in here?
For you.
Yeah, what is it? Matcha? Okay, let me have a look. What's here? This is what it's called, Kamakura. I like saying that, Kamakura. So far it just looks normal. Ben told me to have a look what's here. Can't really see too much, it's just like coffees and fruits. I bet there's some matcha. Hey, there is matcha. Yeah, matcha and black bean. What? They have a, what is that? Fondant. Yum, they have a matcha latte. Ice blend matcha. Yummy. Thanks, baby, this is a good surprise.
Do you want me to flip it? Good.
Tastes like matcha ice cream.
Yeah.
Penny, penny poo, I love you, Henny penny. I love you, Henny penny poo. I love you, Henny penny.